back to our Halo administration course. Here we are doing the part 2 of our access scenario 4. Let's get to it. Firstly, we are asked to create a custom table, and this is going to be linked to the entity requests and contain 3 custom fields. In order to do that, we are going to go to our configuration, and we are going to go to custom objects, and under custom objects go to custom tables. We are going to create a new table. Let's name this specific details. So specific details, and we are going to link in this to the request entity, like they said. As you can see, link to the entity request and contains 3 custom fields. So that's what we are doing. We're going to be looking into requests. Let's see, custom field table. I think all this is good. We will save this. And now we have our custom table specific details, and we link this to the request table. Now on our field list, we would add some fields. So we could name some fields like, let's just call them when, how, and where. So when this, how this, where this. No, let's just use when. When what happened, and this is going to be a text. Let's just leave it at that and save. How this happened. It's a text as well. And where this took place. So we're supposed to give those question marks. So we are going to be creating the next one, which is the where, and let's save this. We have our when, how, and where. When what happened, how this happened, where this took place. Let's save. And what next we are supposed to do on this, we are supposed to reference the above custom table in a ticket type of our choosing, and we are going to demonstrate all of this. So let's see. So now, in order to demonstrate this, we will just add this. As you can see, they said we should reference this to a custom table or any ticket type of our choosing. So for this, we would go to our lever requests, and we are going to add a new field in our lever requests. Go to configuration, tickets, ticket types. Let's add a new field, and we are going to create a new one. We're going to create a new one. Click on add. We're going to call this specific details, and we're going to put the name specific details. And it's not going to be a text, rather we are going to be referencing the table, and this table we are going to link it to our specific details table. And let's just give it a summary, demonstrate the specific details for this request, and that should be it. It's going to be in our additional details tab. You can specify the tab where you want it to be, but let's just leave it at that, and we save. Let's save this. Now that is added, if we go to our lever requests, you can see we now have a table containing our custom table that we created. When what happened? Let's say at 9 p.m. How this happened. In the backyard, where this took place. Okay, how? In should be in the where, how this happened. I don't know. Let's leave it at that. And let us fill in the name, employee ID, and let's put our manager and submit. I'm sorry, last name is manager. I thought I filled in that. And address is mandatory. Okay, it didn't fill in. So yes, we have created it. And if we go to our additional fields, you can see the details about our system over here, the big manager, and some other details over here, as you can see. So that's how to get, okay, here it is, our specific details over here, what time it happened, where it took place, and all of that. It's all over here. And that is it for the part 2 of our access scenario 4.